fix that driver's side door window regulator. It will not go up or down anymore, and with bad weather on its way here in Phoenix, we need to fix that motor. Let's pull that door panel off. Let's put this new window regulator on, and let's get this car nice and dry so we don't have to deal with any more rain, water, or other crap in our car. Let's take care of this window. So our window will not go up and down anymore. The regulator is just completely shot. This is a quick job, and let me just show you how to do it. I'm gonna open your door. I'm gonna pop this up and off. I'm gonna take a screwdriver, and this comes completely off, and there's a screw back there. This little clip here will come off, and you'll see another screw there and a big screw there. The bigger of the two screws is there. Then up under the flap down in there, there's one more screw. Once you have that off, then pop this off. There's a screw there, and pop your door light out. Then just go around the edge and pull it off, and that whole door panel will come off. This is what we found. Instead of the normal plastic liner, the last owner had put this shit everywhere, I guess to deaden the sound for his over-the-top sound system for his car. Alright, we got our door open now. Check out this speaker here if I can. Not factory. It is a Focal apparently. And they did a custom job of getting it in there. Alright. Let's get the old regulator out and get the new one in. Go ahead and take out, there's 3 of these bolts right there, which are the same bolts that hold it to the door up there. Take those 3 out, and we'll pull this whole assembly out and the motor. Once you've removed those 2 bolts there, then on the bottom there's 2. Then this whole piece of shit just comes out, and you can throw it on the ground. Be done with it. Now, let's put it back together. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see if it works. Everything's back together. And, oh, woot woot, it's done. Very cool. Now, my only word of advice is, the very first window regulator that I bought this $50 one off of Amazon. Complete and total shit. Do not buy it. Go buy either a Porsche factory one, or there is another off-brand, I think it's ORE or something like that, that you should buy. But do not buy the $50 one off of Amazon. It doesn't fit right. It's janky. Nothing screws in right. It's complete and total shit. So we now have a working door window on our Boxster. So yet another project we can scratch off on this rebuild. Thanks guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.